All right, guys, 2014 650i V8 twin turbo. This is what it sounds like before. Not bad, but it's definitely not loud enough. No. Juan Decibel agrees. It's not loud enough, right? So we're gonna take those tips off and do a muffler delete and put these tips in their place. Here's the sound decibels. Go ahead. I don't know if you guys can see from the sun. I don't know, I can't see it either. Is it even plugged in? Sounds good. This is before, guys. So we're gonna do a muffler delete and replace the tips. We'll let you guys hear it up. Just finished this beautiful beast. 2014 BMW 6 Series twin turbo V8. Just a beast. I think it's like 4.9 seconds, 0 to 60, something like that. It's crazy. Anyways, factory converter there, somewhere on the motor. Then 3-inch pipe all the way into the resonator right there. Then it's got a dual in, dual out resonator with probably a built-in X pipe, more than likely. Then what we did is did a rear muffler delete there and right there, as you guys can see. We'll show you the old mufflers in a second. And then we put some quad tips out the back, staggered right there. And right there to finish the look. We didn't have a lot of space, so we couldn't go in a lot bigger than those. But they look really nice and clean on it. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. There's the 2 stock mufflers that were on it. They come with little valves here on each side that we just cut off. They were zip tied open anyways. So what you do on these, you just zip tie them away. You unplug them and zip tie them away. It doesn't affect the drivability of the car or anything like that. But there's the stock 2 mufflers and tips right there. That's what it looks like after, a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So we'll let you guys hear it. Oh yeah, that's perfect. There's a marble. That sounds so good. Let's do it. Next, we got to take that resonator off and put an X pipe in its place. Then it'll really bother. Here's sound decibels. Still 97. It's not overly too loud. That sounds so sick. Go ahead and back it up. That's sexy. Always like Beamers. They're nice. Look at that barber. That sounds mean. Yes, sir. What do you guys think of the sound? You can hear the spool. Yeah, you can hear it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Yeah, right in the sun, man, is beautiful. Got a little sparkle to it. Here we go. Oh, it's beautiful. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode.